be singing, oh, 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 I be singing, oh,
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So it is Monday, and it is like 6 in the morning. I'm up. I'm getting ready for school. I have an 8 a.m. class this morning. So, yeah. I'm getting up and getting ready for school. I also have to work today around 2. So, I don't know. I mean, I'll show you guys what I do, I guess, during my day after classes and everything. So, yeah, I'll just follow you guys along. And yeah, Rihanna's still sleeping. My mom is about to get up in a half an hour because she has to go to work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just get ready for school in the morning, so I'll update you guys later. Okay, so here's a little outfit of the day before I get on the stairs. I literally don't put any effort in getting dressed in the morning because I'm just too tired. I don't even need makeup, honestly. I'm just wearing this white flowy top that I've had for a couple of years. I got this from like a store called City Trends, leggings, and then I'm also wearing these American Eagle boots, and I'm gonna be putting that with it's not in here, but I have a jean jacket to go with this in my book bag. So yeah, let's go to school. Hey guys, so I genuinely almost forgot it was Vlogmas, so I haven't been vlogging, but I got out of class around like 10 o'clock, and then I'm at my apartment now. I vacuumed out the smaller car, the old car, so that way it can be kind of better, because it's been like storming like crazy here, and a lot of leaves have gotten in the car, so I needed to vacuum it. And then after that, I ran to the dollar store and I grabbed some air fresheners because we needed more of that too. So yeah, I just pulled back up at the apartment. I'll show you guys the air fresheners that I got, and then I'm gonna put these in and then go inside and figure out what else I need to do before I go to work later. I go to work at 2 today, so yeah, I'll show you guys the air fresheners. Sorry, try to get these out. Okay, so I got the Febreze Unstoppables fresh scent car freshener. I haven't used the Febreze. I've used the Refresh brand before, but I don't like that brand, and this is like the off-brand stuff because this keeps falling out of the vent. So I'm hoping that the Febreze like stays like in there and I won't have to worry about, because I have one down there that's like, it just keeps falling out the vents, and I don't know if it's just because it's my vent or if it's just because the things are like kind of cheap. I don't know. So I got those to replace it, and then I also got sorry, the bag's gonna be cringy to Rihanna, but it's okay. Maybe some of you guys. The same Refresh sticks. I don't have a problem with these type of sticks. It's just that I can't stand those. So hopefully these two match like the smell and everything. And I had another brand that's in my glove box. I think it's also Refresh, but I did not like the smell of those, and I was gonna put those in instead of buying anything. But you know, like, it just smells different when you like open it up. So hopefully I like that, because I spent $2 on that. And if not, I can just try to re-gift it or something, give it to my sister or somebody. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in, and then I'll see you guys when I'm in the apartment.
Hey guys, today's Vlogmas Day 2. Right now I'm at my apartment with Raylan. I'm really sick. My niece got me sick, I think she gave me whooping cough, but I don't know for sure. So,
Why do you always assume it's the worst? What if it's just a cold?
that's the first sign, the symptom. The symptoms are like
She's Googling
runny nose, fatigue, like low grade fever, and like something else. And they're like, it's always commonly mistaken as a common cold, but I'm pretty sure it's whooping cough. So I hope not, because she actually gave me hand, foot, and mouth disease like 2 months ago, and that was horrible. So I hope I don't have whooping cough, because that would be bad. But yeah, I feel like crap. Sorry, I didn't really vlog that much this morning because like I said, I just don't feel good. So right now I'm just waiting for time to pass before I have to go into work. And what time is it?
12.
It's 12:12. I have to be at work by 1 o'clock. And Raylan doesn't have to be at work until 2. And she's about to eat. I can't eat because my stomach hurts like really bad. So, yeah. But I'll update you guys later. Hi guys, so I don't know if you can see me. I'm just got off at work. It's 6:47. I'm headed to my mom's house. Well, no, actually, I'm getting McDonald's. I hope you guys can see me. If not, that's not good. But yeah, there's so much traffic. I just want to go home and get in bed, and I'm so tired. My whole body hurts, and my throat is killing me. So is my chest. So I haven't had food since yesterday morning. So I'm gonna try to get some McDonald's, which I know doesn't sound like the best to give yourself when you're sick, but I want something quick. I don't feel like cooking anything, so I'm just gonna get something small to eat. And I promise it doesn't sound like I'm crying. It's just my throat is like, has like a tickle. So that's what's going on right now. I'll update you guys later. Hi guys, so right now it's 8 o'clock. I'm home. I'm finishing up my dinner. I'm here with Raylan and my mom. We're watching Teen Mom Young and Pregnant. So that's what we're doing right now. We all picked something up for dinner. Mommy had Popeyes. I had McDonald's, and Raylan had Taco Bell. So we're just finishing up our dinner, watching TV, and just probably gonna get ready for bed soon because we're all tired. Hi guys, so right now I'm cleaning my room. It's about like maybe 10. I actually don't know for sure, but I still don't feel good. But I know I need to clean my room because it's getting pretty messy. So Raylan's getting ready for bed. My mom, she's getting ready for bed too because they're both really tired. And I'm just up. I don't know why. I can't really sleep. So I'm just going to clean my room a little bit and just organize some stuff while I have time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I've somewhat finished my room. I didn't really make my bed up that much because I'm about to jump in it, and I know the comforter and stuff doesn't match everything, but I just needed to change it because I'm sick and I don't like to just lay in my germs for however long I'm sick for. Yeah, I need to vacuum my floor, but we're gonna save that for another day. So yeah, these are my Christmas lights hanging up. They're so pretty. I love them. And then I have these pink lights on my dresser. I love those. But yeah, so just listening to music, and I have my fan on, but very soon and shortly I will be getting a cold flash and have to turn my heater on. It's literally sitting right next to my bed because I'm having like hot flashes, and then I'll get like extremely, I said that wrong. I'm getting like cold flashes, so I'll put my heater on, and then I'll put my fan on because I'll get like a hot flash or something. This part, ignore that. It's Christmas lights and a whole bunch of cords from my laptop and phone and charger and stuff. Just ignore that. But yeah, this is my room right now. I didn't put those clothes away. I need to. I'm just being lazy right now. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. It's pretty much like 11 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because everyone in the house is falling asleep and I'm about to fall asleep. So thank you guys for watching for Vlogmas Day 2. I will see your beautiful face in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.